Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Fix It Aid is back with a bit of a change of pace on this one. This is the button for the American nuclear defense system. So I press this and World War III begins and everyone gets wiped out. No, it's not. That's total nonsense. But you expect a bit of nonsense, don't you? Come on now, admit it. No, this is a Hive Thermostat. It's a very good friend of mine's Hive Thermostat, which whilst he was laying some flooring, I believe, this got dropped from about shoulder height, he said, onto a tile floor. So, and it hasn't worked since. I imagine that is where it's impacted, because it's raised up a bit. So we're going to take a look. Before we do that though, if you're not subscribed and you do like an idiot who's trying to have a go at fixing things, I'm your man. Hit that subscribe button. But with that aside, let's have a look and see what's what with this, is it? So, Hugh Poo, Barney McGrew, but no screw. No visible screws. So I assume it should be on, right? He said with the batteries in, it should be on. So let's take the batteries out. That straight away is not going to help. But let's get into it. Alright, so I'm going to take a lead on this and say I'm going to prise it open. I hope, anyway. Hi-ho, hi-ho. Oh, shoulda. It's off. Well, it's not off to the cinema, is it, to see that crap? Right. Is there any screws? There's none under there, there's none under there, there's none under there. So, is it there? Yes. Well, that's that side anyway. The last thing I want to do is break it. Even though it's broken, but you know what I mean. Right, so that clip down in there. So is it going to be the same thing here? Doesn't look like. Okay, my back's itching. Oh, that's no good. Oh. Oh. Oh, there we are. Right. Okay. So that is linked there. None of this is actually making any sense, because that spring, that's the battery spring there. So why is there one here? Can I get that to go down in there so I can get that off? Will it? Let's go outside. There. Here we are. Right, so that's off. Pardon me. Right, so I don't know what that is, but that was forced behind. So that goes like, does it go again? Like that, eh? No, like that. But that wasn't showing, so it must have been forced behind there now though. And then there was another one here. Oh, I don't know. I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't get it. Look at that. because they're impacted here. Oh, that's bent over. Oh, that's flapped. It's a thermistor, isn't it? They've snapped. It's obviously been crushed. Right. So we need to sort that out then, don't we? So I'm going to have to take this out. So that means I'm going to have to take these ribbon cables out. Gently. Don't want to be breaking any ribbon cables. Get over there, Blue. Bloody hell, man. How's this come out now? This way. That's the screen behind there. So, let's have a look. And we know we got damage here. Looks like it's impacted here as well, look. Something has anyway. But that's where it was dropped. And I somehow crushed that, snapped it. It's a thermistor. That's the first thing we need to do. I don't want this to snap all the way off now, see. And I don't want these touching either. So we're going to have to spread these apart a bit. Straight that leg out like that, that's it. Where's my flux? Which leg is it now? That one's the inside one. This one. Where is my solder wick? There it is. Out. Always forget the fan. This is why I'm going to die young. And that is not the name of my neighbour, Die Young. It's something I'm going to end up doing if I don't put that fan back on properly. Where's my tweezers? There's a little bit of the leg still in there. So I'm going to need to heat it up and try and get that out. Almost. There, he's out. Let me bring him in a bit further. There we are. This is a bit there. So if we can... Oh, it's fiddly, hasn't it? I can just get the solder wick on there. Just clear that hole up a bit. There. Lovely. Right, what I'm going to do now is just see if I can lean this over. Because I haven't got another one of these. Oh, come on now. There. Not as pretty, but it'll do. Get the solder now, what is it? Put a nice blob on there now. Make sure it's holding. Oh yeah, it is, because it's come through, look. Marvellous. So I'm going to get the tweezers now. Just move this across a little bit without snapping. Just so they're not anywhere near each other. That one's alright. Yeah, that one's alright. I think. Yeah, looks alright. It's not pretty, but hopefully it'll work. So we can turn this off now. I still don't know where this came from. But let's have a look. Just squeeze this shut now, is it? This is there. So is there a broken clip or something on here? No. That goes up here like that, that goes down in there like that. So maybe if we clip a side in first. And it keeps popping out that side, doesn't it? This switch is broke, look. Oh, so I'm going to have to come back out, that's why. Yeah, that's the screen. Let's put that back in situ. Quick, 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 quick. Right, I think I know what was happening. These were resting on top there and they need to slide under. Like that. And I hadn't done that, I don't think. Yeah, look. Look at that now. Yes, it was me. It was my fault. Gotta get these ribbon cables up now. Oh, come on. Come on, I got one up. Be nice now. Be kind. No, you swine. Got that one. This one's a little bit more flexible than the big one. It's probably why it wasn't clipping in as well. So let's screw this back in. Nice. That felt nice. Lost the screw, right? No. Not magnetic. Tidy. And I dropped it again. Tidy again. Suppose when you've got this sort of, mobile thermostat, it's one of the hazards, isn't it? Dropping it. And if these things can get dropped, they will get dropped. It's life, isn't it? Especially with kids and pets. Adults do it as well, I'm not saying they don't. Brilliant. I think. Right, so again this way, won't it? Hopefully this will clip in now. Oh, it's trying to get out through here, look. There we are. Oh, that's much better, isn't it? Oh, yes. Look at that. Welcome. Reconnecting. So what I'm going to do, let's move all this out of the way. And then if it's meant to be shiny, I like things to be shiny. Now, obviously, it's not going to connect because it's not mine. I haven't got Hive. I'm not that posh. Legend. So, I saved him 130 quid. He told me that's how much it was for a replacement. And now he doesn't have to. So happy days all round. He'll be chuffed, and I'm happy that I got a fix. I am going to have to inquire about that. I think he's tried to stuff that in there himself. Personally. Because there's no way else that's come from. But there we are. It's working. So a fix is a fix. Happy days all round. Hope you've enjoyed the video, and I'll see you soon. Ta-da!